Alright, Ray Barnett. I'm going to try the shoot the sugar cube off a balloon. I'm going to do it with my R7. I'm going to give it a shot anyway. And this has got peep sights, open sights, technically a diopter sight. Anyway, let's step this off and see how far it is. Anyway, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Holy fucking balls. Anyway, there's my sugar cube, my target. And let's see if we can get this other camera up and running. Oh damn, that's a long walk. I didn't realize how hard it was going to be to walk and count out loud. Alright, we're going to turn this on, get it started recording, and jump on a four-wheeler and ride it back. Hopefully I'll be calmed down enough I can take a shot by then. Here we go. Holy smokes. I don't know if I'm going to actually be able to see the sugar cube. I should hear the balloon if I hit it though. We'll just take a few shots at it and see how it works out. I don't even hear it hit the back stop. piece of it. Don't know if I got the sugar cube, but I got the backstop. Another one on the backstop. Sound like a pretty good solid hit on the backstop. I'm just aiming lower and lower every time until I hear the balloon pop, and we'll go see which shot on the other camera, if any, got the sugar cube. Nothing. There's a light here. Let's go down there and have a look, see if I got anything. Sugar cube is gone. But did I hit it or just knock it down by hitting the backstop? Looks like I just knocked it down. Looks like one hit over here. We got two of them way up here. I'll have to try harder. We'll reset this video and try one more time tonight, and then I'm fixing to call it quits. There we go. No. Nothing again. Oh, look. I thought I seen something white splatter, but it probably wasn't. Probably just my old eyes. Yeah, something popped. All right, it's my damn balloon. And I don't see any. There it is. I see the chalk or the sugar cube. Unharmed. Not a scratch on it. Look at that. Not a scratch on it. Let's see you guys try that. Pop the balloon without hitting the chalk or the sugar cube.